y'all, I know I haven't filmed in quite a while, and you know what? I'm back. And like I had made a post on here just the other day saying just how busy I've been, because I do take care of a handful of elderly people around my neighborhood, and I get busy. Life gets busy. But anyway, I'm back. What do I have here? I have a package that was sent to me by the very awesome Wrap-A-Candle. What is Wrap-A-Candle? It's a very, very new company, and when I came across them on Facebook, I thought it was like just the coolest thing. I'm like, this is such a good idea. And once we get into it, you're going to see how it's just such a good idea as well. So we're going to open this. Yes, I blocked out my address. It's the address where I get my mail, not the address where I live, but still, stranger danger. So let's cut this open. And I wanted to open it here on YouTube so that y'all could see it firsthand, just like I am. So we're going to open that, throw that on the floor. All right, so here is the package. I'm going to hold it like this so that you can see their information on there. You can find us on social media right there. I'm also going to have in the description box in the pinned comment, I'm going to have all the information that you need so that you can order these for yourself. I just thought it was really, really cool. So in here, you get 3 of the reusable candle bases in 3, 5, and 7 inches. You get 3 double-sided wraps to give you 2 different looks and 6 scented jumbo tea lights. So the basis of this is just so cool. Now, if you look at these candles, they're Christmas print, right? But the thing is, you can change this out and put anything in there you like. You could put scrapbook paper. You can use wallpaper. You can even have like your kids to draw on a piece of paper and put that down in there, okay? You can totally customize this any way you like. So here are the candle bases. You can see this is where the jumbo tea lights sit down in the top, okay? Just so cool. Here is the smaller one. You can see they just come right out. Just come right out. And they sit down inside this base. I like that. Now here is the larger one, which I'm taking out upside down. But let's get all the little cards out, and we'll set this off to the side so that we can actually take a look at the candles here. Now, this print that they have in here is really pretty, okay? You can use wrapping paper. Like I said, scrapbooking paper. You could use a gift bag. Anything to replace this to give you all sorts of different looks. Now, the picture that they had sent me on Facebook, and I'll try to include it on here, was a set that they had made using wallpaper. So like I said, you know, you can pretty much customize this any way you like. Here's this little card here that tells about it. And here, it gives you your safety and enjoyment tips. It also tells you, thank you for Wrap-A-Candle, and it shows you how to use it right here. Okay? So what you do, as you can see, let's zoom out on this. Start with one of the reusable bases, then swap in a wrap to change the look. Drop in a jumbo tea light or LED votive in the cavity at the top. When the candle burns out, replace it. You can store your extra tea lights inside the base, okay? So you don't have like everything sitting around. Now, in the past, I have shown y'all how to make customized candles, right? And yeah, that process can get a little messy. It can burn your hand, you know, and then you burn it a little bit, and you still have the candle sitting there, right? And then you go to make a new one, a new custom candle. Well, now you've got this candle plus the new one, and it just takes up so much space if you're making them for all different seasons and all different occasions. But with this, they said you just slip it out. See how I'm taking that out right there? And then that is your candle base that all of the other candles are stored in the bottom here. This right here, you unscrew the base, and that's where you put the candles in. So everything is stored together. This right here, this is the way it was facing. Now you can flip it the other way around and just slide that in there to change the look. Oh, again, sorry. Anyway, so the directions here tell you how to do it. Remove the current wrap by rotating the wrap slightly to the right to expose the end. It will now be positioned in the gap opening. You lift and pull the wrap until it is fully off of the candle base. And it tells you how to insert the new one. So we're going to do that. So here's the wrap that's on there, or land. Okay, you see this right here? You just slide it. Whee! See how easy that is? Look at the top. You slide it and you see how the end just comes off like that. You just pull it, and there is your empty candle. So let's say that you want to flip it. So then you take it, starting from the right and going to the left. You see like this little gap right here? Okay. And then there's a gap down here at the bottom as well. You're just going to slide that in there. You see how it fits into these tracks. There's a track up here at the top. Yes, I got a boo-boo on my hand. It slips into the track there and the trap in the bottom. And then you just wrap it around like this. Going around, 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 and around. Just keep going. See, until you get under this piece here. This piece is going to hold the seam. And then there you go. You have a different look for your candle, right? So let's do the small one. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Let's do the small one. Once again, to take it out, here's the gap. And the gap will show you which direction to push it in case you forget. Here's the notch there and a notch there, the little gap. You just take this and spin it to the right. And you see how it pops out of that gap? Again, we're going to look at it from the top. You spin it like this. Okay. Then you just take it out. Now let's see, you're going to flip it over. So we're going to make our peppermint candles now. You're going to flip it over. You're going to go back into these gaps. Put that there and that there. Just slide that in. Just be gentle with it. And it's just so easy. So easy to slide this out. I'm going to try it with some wrapping paper here in a second, okay? See? And then just slide it right there under this. And it holds in place. Like, how cool is that? Just how cool is that? And then you put your candles in. Like I said, the tall one is where you can store your extra candles. Right there. So I'm going to take that out. Now let's unscrew this base and we'll take these candles out. Okay, so this one, it actually just pops out. This is what pops out. And then this is where you can store all of your extra candles. So these spice, and they smell really super good. It's like I can smell them here. They smell really good. So like I said, I'm going to have a link for you down in the description box and a pinned comment so you can get your own. But I just think this is like the coolest thing, and everything is like so compact. Now, with Mother's Day not too far away from us, this would be such a good gift for Mother's Day. Why? Because you could take pieces of paper, have your kids draw on them, and then slide it in there. It would be a really good gift for the grandparents. You know, you can have the kids to draw on the paper. They can draw on both sides. And then like you saw, you can just take it out. You can flip it over. You can put it back in there. It'll be really good for memorial candles. I mean, how cool would that be? Memorial candles. And I will have a video showing you a memorial candle that I might do for myself. But you could, yeah, just measure these. Take the inserts out, measure them, and then, you know, make your own template. Cut it out of cardstock or something. That way you can have your template. You can lay it down on your gift bag, on your wrapping paper, on what have you. You can print this out on your printer. Like, I know somebody was asking me to do a video for like a dog memorial candle. This will be really good for that. So, yeah, just all different types of things that you could do with this. But I'm going to get some wrapping paper and let's see what we can do with that. So we're going to take this out of the small one like that. And we're going to use this as our template. Now, this is the wrapping paper that I have on hand, okay? Let's see. Now, this is, you know, let's get this box out the way. Move over there. Oops. All right. So we see, let's see. I want the design to like be in the center. So we're just going to take this and let's put it there. Okay. So yeah, maybe about like right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to lay this here and I will trace it and then cut it out and put it in the candle. Okay. So I have my wrapping paper. And like I said, let's take this out. And like I said a while ago, you just take it where the notch is on each side. Place that in there and just guide it through. Whee! Look over here until we get to the little bar again. Tuck the end of the paper under the bar and boom, there you go. Look, I got a Christmas Hello Kitty candle. How cute is that? I got a Christmas Hello Kitty candle. I traced it with my ghost face pen. Anyway. But how cute is that? It's just so cute. But yeah, such a good idea. It's just, and I love seeing companies come up with these new ideas. I really, really like this because as y'all know, I do Halloween year round at my house. And so, you know, I could just really just print out all types of Halloween stuff on the computer, put it in here, and then I don't have to worry about running out of Halloween themed candles year round. You know, it's so cool. But yeah, if you would, again, for the third time, look down in the description box and in a pinned comment. And I want to have the link to where you can get one of these of your very own. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time. Bye!